Hey there, this is Daphne with IDAF Events, and I'm here at Billmore Community Park, formerly known as Fletcher Park in Fletcher, North Carolina. We have some exciting news. We are partnering with the park for the brand new Run Local pop-up 5K in the Park series and virtual challenge. So we are so excited to return our community to safe racing with these social distance formatted events with rolling starts. We all need some motivation to stay active right now, and so we're so excited to have this fun, no frills running series to plan and produce for our community. The series kicks off Wednesday, July 8th, and we encourage all runners to run local and participate either in person on event days here at Fletcher Park, or join the virtual challenge and run 5Ks at any local park, wherever you live, whenever you want. So the in-person social distance events are the 2nd and 4th Wednesday in July, August, and September. When you show up, come to the picnic shelter area, get a race number from us with the timing chip on the back, and then start the race whenever you want from 6 to 8 p.m. The course will be marked with flagging and signs all along the way. Series participants will get awesome Run Local shirts for free. We'll have other swag. We'll have prizes and awards throughout the series, including our grand prizes for the most improved runners in the series. For more information and to get moving forward together with us, go to idaph.net, idaph.net. Happy running, and we'll see you soon.